We are going to attempt to come out here, see what the seagulls are going to do to us. This is so beautiful. I love it out here. Dude, they should have made this a little evener. It's kind of lopsided a little bit. But yeah, come out here, bring your boat. Bring your boat out here. Oh, look, they taking off. Come out here, enjoy yourself. Holy shit! Ah! Ah, shit! Shit is shit! Don't shit on me. Here we go. Bye-bye, seagulls. But yeah. They took off on us. But yeah, I love living here. It's so beautiful. But yeah, that's our Airbnb. We bouncing out. Oh my goodness, shit on! Run! Oh shit. Oh my god. I'll get your head. Oh shit. Oh, that's so funny. Damn seagulls.